Hello, and welcome to my classroom. I am so bored. There is no one here. Where are you guys? Classroom is sad. Okay, so guys, this is you're going to log into Edpuzzle. There will be some times where I'll have YouTube videos. This week you will have some videos where I have the songs, and instead of me being there to discuss it in person, I'm going to have it so that there'll be questions embedded in the videos with the songs with the figurative language, okay? I just wanted to let y'all know up above here, right there, is your class codes. I will send invites because I know some kids are already in my Edpuzzle because we did the pre-reading stations, and some of y'all did the U-boats, and there was a Edpuzzle that you had to complete. So some of y'all are already in there, but some of y'all aren't. So like I said, there's the class code just in case the invites doesn't work out. I will send invites because I know some kids are already in my Edpuzzle because we did the pre-reading stations, and some of y'all did the U-boats, and there was a Edpuzzle that you had to complete. So some of y'all are already in there, but some of y'all aren't. So like I said, there's the class code just in case the invites doesn't work out. During my live streams on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 9 a.m. to noon, you can try to send me either an email or you can jump on the live streams and say, hey, I'm having trouble, I'll try to help you out. So that is just a little thing. I'm actually going to still show you how you guys go to. I'm going to do a little screen cast, and I'm going to show you guys how to actually do that, okay? So that'll probably be in a nice little jump cut. So this is how you go and get logged into Edpuzzle. So I will have the link in Canvas, and all you have to do is under modules where it says figurative language. So when you do that, you will need, for most of y'all, you already have Edpuzzles. If you have Miss Lackey, a lot of y'all have this. If you never have used it, I'm going to walk you through this as if you have never logged in. And if you have logged in, just go through your normal process. The only thing is I am going to show you guys how to make sure you are in my class. So this is the backup in case the invites fail. So when you go up here, you're going to go to the top right corner, right where my cursor is, and you're going to click on sign up. Alright, I'm going to say I'm a student right now. I'm actually going to use my YouTube account, Luna Lavender, as my pretend. This is kind of why I made this account, so that way I can kind of pretend to be a student when I make my YouTube videos, okay? So I'm going to click I'm a student. Do not click on sign up with Edpuzzle because what will happen is you'll have to type in all this information. I always tell kids sign in with Google because then you don't have to remember any passwords. Now, here you're going to see a bunch of your things here. Please try to always click on your actual school account. Don't use any of your personal ones. Use your school account. I'm going to use my Luna Lavender one just for now because my school account is my teacher one. So, if you get to the screen, you have already gotten to making your account or either logging in, and you just need to get into a class code. Okay, so once you get here, again, if you went through the invites that I sent out, then you don't need to do this. But I'm going to just pretend to log into my fifth block. Alright, it's IMNARRFA. Okay, and I'm going to click next. Alright, you should see that you see block 5, Caitlin Alford, and you see it should be the class code. If it pops up that, you are good. Make sure you're actually in it, and you should say join class. You should see then the videos here, okay? So I will make sure that these U-boat assignments are gone and that you will have the correct assignment. Right now I don't have it made. I will have it made before Monday, before you guys actually have it, but it will be there. I promise. It's currently in the works. So I just wanted to make sure I had this ready to go.
Well, guys, I totally realized that I did not do an outro video, and I just totally forgot to do it. So you're going to get my lovely voice to finish this out. If you guys have not subscribed, please make sure you go down below and click subscribe. Also, please make sure you hit the notification bell as well. I'm trying to make a goal of twice a week to upload a video. I've kind of gotten to where I have a groove on with it, editing and getting these out. I think I can do these twice a week, and that's doable, I think. We'll see how it goes. I'm not making any promises. with the workload that we are expected to do. So weekly at best, or at minimum, I think is doable. And then at the absolute best, I would like to do twice a week. So try to go ahead and make sure you guys go ahead, hit the subscribe button, get notified, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.